Welcome to the Department of Educational Technology, SNDT Women's University, Mumbai. Let us discuss today about two master degree programs, Master of Arts e-learning, Master of Science e-learning. Motto of our department is to work together, to learn together, to progress together. If you are interested in creating effective learning designs for schools, colleges, universities, as well as for professional training institutes. If you are interested in developing educational multimedia, e-content, or in designing and managing online courses, then you are at the right place. We offer PhD in Educational Technology and MA, MSc e-learning. MA, MSc e-learning graduates are eligible for PhD. For any reason, if you exit from our master's program after one successful year, then you are eligible for postgraduate diploma in e-learning. Within 3 years, you can come back to the third semester and complete the master's program. Career opportunities, check it yourself. If you search the word e-learning on any leading job portal, you will see so many careers. You can be content writer, instructional system designer, learning management system consultant, training specialist, instructional technologist, curriculum specialist, or online instructor. Let us see the structure of our master's degree program. It's 80 credits program. Each semester is of 20 credits. Interestingly, some of our skill-based courses are practical-based. We do not have theory exam for such courses. There are many assignments, products, outputs, and practical exams. Women graduate degree holders with 50% marks are eligible for admission. 45% is for reserve category candidates. Our admissions are based on entrance test, and entrance test is majorly based on English competency. We have variety of rich courses in this master's program, right from educational technology, instructional systems design, various ICT, that is information and communication technology tools for collaboration, web applications, open educational resources, e-learning, online learning, blended learning, and most importantly, learner psychology. Throughout this master's program, you will learn, you will connect to each other, you will co-create, and you will transform yourself. These are a few examples of how our students learn by themselves, explore, brainstorm, work on ICT tools, come together, co-create, and transform themselves. They brainstorm, they create mind maps, they organize their ideas, they appreciate others' work, they comment on peers' work. We use blended learning. Our students explore a lot. They get hands-on experience. You can see that in our classrooms, computers are placed at the walls. They can work on their machines anytime, even during the session, and they come together, they work together under guidance of teachers. Many cooperative learning methods are used. Students themselves conduct workshops for external students and teachers. They use ample of case studies for teaching learning. What kind of ICT support do we provide? We have developed huge e-content based on their syllabus. We also provide a lot of existing resources. They get desktop with Wi-Fi facility. They can bring their laptop, their mobiles also for working in the classroom. We have learning management system Moodle on which we upload web-based resources, on which students submit their assignments. We also encourage them to register for short-term MOOCs. Even though there are theory exams, weightage is only 50% because 50% internal evaluation is towards their products, their projects, their presentations. They write scripts, session plans, develop storyboards, develop e-content also by themselves. Naturally, as a result, they get 100% internship and campus placement opportunity. They work as instructional designers, content writers, sometimes graphic designers, and over the years they rise to the level of project managers. All our internships are paid internships, and they recover at least 1 year's fee in internship. Their package starts with 3 lakh. They are placed in many educational institutions in India, even educational institutes abroad. They mainly work in corporate, that is e-learning industries, and they can also work with NGOs. They develop their e-portfolio during their 3rd and 4th semester. Through their e-portfolio, they compile all their work. They are not only paid in India, but even for their internships abroad. You can see the countries in which our students have worked as interns. Even during pandemic, 4 of our students are going to work for USA-based organization. Our alumni sometimes migrate to other countries, but they never face problem of getting jobs. Some of our alumni are in Canada, USA, UK, Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Australia, Netherlands, and some more countries, and they all are working. They are working as educational technologists, they are working as instructional designers or e-learning experts. We ask our alumni, what do you feel about the program? And here is a word cloud. They say that this master's program is life changer, career oriented, path breaking, it's world class and transformational. Thank you. Visit us at det.sndt.ac.in, det.sndt.ac.in, and contact us at det@sndt.ac.in.